Hi, this is Zak Mir from Master Investor with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, the 23rd of April. And I'm starting off with African Potash, which I've been meaning to get around to for quite a while. Here we can see tentative base building towards the 0.4 pence level. We've broken above the 20-day moving average line at that level. And initial target here probably up to 0.64, which is the area of the 50-day moving average. That would be a decent target, even if the shares are not able to rehabilitate themselves on a sustained basis. As you can see on the way down in recent months, the 50-day line has been the barrier to progress. A weekly close above the 50-day line then opens up a 1.4 pence target, which would be the top of this December price channel, back below 0.4, really delaying the upside. But perhaps not for a sustained basis. Next up is CPP, a stock which always tends to be rather active. Situation now, we've got a decent break of the 50-day moving average at 4.13 pence, this extended bull flag, and then the break higher. Initial resistance here at the 200-day moving average, that's around the 7.72 pence level, but the target on a weekly close above the 200-day line as high as 13 pence, which would be the top of this October rising trend channel. Greatland Gold, the next candidate in the bulletin board heroes. Here we have what looks to be a very sort of severe attempt or strong attempt at breaking above the 50-day moving average. We do need to see a weekly close above this. So that's the blue line at 0.15 pence. But I'm taking a guess that this is a positive consolidation, that the shares will eventually head towards the main post-November resistance through towards 0.23, which is the area of the 200-day moving average. Stop loss on the buy argument back below the 20-day moving average at 0.12. So basically not risking too much at these levels, just a potential bottom fish situation at Greatland. Strategic resources, or strategic minerals rather, next on the list. We've had the breakthrough, the 200-day moving average, tested it at support earlier this month. That's the black line there at 0.46 pence. We've got the moving averages crossing over there, the 50-day and the 200-day, which is helpful. This looks like a V-shaped bull flag, which is tends to be a very positive formation here, this post-March formation. And one would expect progress towards the top of this rising one-year price channel as high as 1 pence, while the shares remain above, say, the 20-day moving average at 0.53. A spike in the volume as well is helpful and gives us confidence that push to the upside should be imminent. Finishing off with West African minerals, and that's been back in play over recent days and weeks. What I like about this is that the early April price action below the 50-day moving average looks like it was the final bear trap. It actually broke the February support as well, so that looks like a decent bear trap, and positive divergence in the RSI window as well. We're back within this rising trend channel from August. That has its floor around 2.69 pence, and while that's the 50-day moving average, and while we hold that, the initial target 4.21 pence over the next couple of weeks, and a 1 to 2 month target as high as 6 pence, which would be the top of last year's trend channel. That's it from me. More updates at masterinvestor.co.uk.